Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Learn English with Shelly. This video will help you master the past perfect continuous tense in no time, so keep watching. Now, you might be wondering, what is the past perfect continuous tense? The past perfect continuous tense describes an action that started in the past and continued up until another point in the past. It is often followed by the past simple tense, indicating that one action was ongoing when another one occurred. The past perfect continuous tense follows the structure subject plus had been plus verbing plus the rest of the sentence. Let's see an example. She had been studying for hours before she finally took a break. Please note that the past simple tense is not always needed in the past perfect continuous tense. For example, you can say, she had been studying for hours, and that's perfectly fine. Let's check out some more examples. They had been living downtown until they decided to move to the countryside. Ethan had been running for miles. It had been raining for hours when suddenly the sun came out. He was exhausted because he had been working all night. Kelly had been playing the piano for a few years.